Bonjour, I'm Dr. Thun Nguyen. I'm a wife, I'm a mother of one, and I'm expecting the second one. Also a researcher at the University of Melbourne, and in my spare time I like cooking, so let's go inside and I'll cook you a very good French cake. Today I'll be cooking a French Royale. It's French chocolate cake. So I work in the Department of Pathology at the University of Melbourne in the Genetic Epidemiology Lab. And our main research focus is on breast cancer. Our main aim is to assist some families getting more information on their risk of breast cancer. So look at what I've already done. I've whisked the egg whites. Recently, our lab has discovered a new breast cancer susceptibility gene using new technologies that allow us to look at the whole human genome instead of just parts of the genome. And it was the very first breast cancer gene identified with these new methods. For more information about that gene, you can go to this link. My next phase is adding the prana to the egg whites. It's a mix of almond and hazelnut. While it's cooking, I'll be preparing the second layer of the cake, which is made of pralinoise. It's a very good chocolate, and the hardest part of this is not to eat the pralinoise before you put it in the cake. I use the cloud because our studies are big collaborative studies, and the cloud allows us to communicate data with our collaborators overseas. The new technologies I was talking you about, they produce a lot of data, big amounts of data that you can't just handle on your desktop computer, so that's why we need the cloud. I just click here, this is my bookmark for the cloud. So now I'm preparing the second layer of the cake. So it's a cracking base, and I'm going to melt this pralinoise chocolate with some biscuit.
I've got breast cancer 4 years ago. I've got a family history. I've lost my mother and grandmother from it at a young age, 42 and 50. I got it at 37. I have had treatment. I've had chemo, I've had Herceptin, and I'm now on tamoxifen for 5 years. So hopefully that all that extra treatment I've had will prevent it coming back. And you mainly do breast cancer?
Yeah.
Yes. Only?
We also study colorectal and prostate cancer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we study families with a strong history of breast cancer.
Okay.
We try to identify new genes that would cause a predisposition to breast cancer.
Because of my family history, and I've got 3 boys, just wanting to know, it's interesting because I want to know how the future is going to look for them.
Yes. With the new technologies that are available now, we can screen the whole genome of a person in just a few days, whereas it used to take...
It used to take weeks, didn't it? Yeah.
So we've made the 2 first layers, and the last layer is just chocolate mousse.
Oh, sounds great.
Yeah, I like the chocolate mousse to taste really chocolatey. And this is one I baked earlier. Let's go eat. That's a French Royale.
Texturally, it just really works, and yeah, I think you've done a very good job.
Thank you.
Might be on the menu.
Hey, I hope you have enjoyed Researchers Part 1. For more information, you can go to the ITS website, the cloud website. If you're a student looking for a master or PhD project, I can give you the recipe to my cake, and you can check our lab website for more information on the projects we're working on. I also want to thank the Common Foundation for my fellowship, and of course my family in France for sending me the ingredients to make that cake. Thank you.